In today's video, I will walk you through how to create Splitwise account. Start by searching for Splitwise and open the Splitwise website. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click the sign up button. On the sign up page, enter your name in the required field. Next, enter your email address and then create a password. After filling in the required information, complete the CAPTCHA verification if prompted. When everything is filled out, click Sign Me Up. After your account is created, you'll be taken to the welcome screen. Here, you'll see options such as adding your apartment, creating a group trip, or skipping the setup for now. Choose the option that fits what you want to do next. If you don't want to complete the setup at this stage, select Skip Setup for now. Once you're inside your account, you'll see the Splitwise logo and access to your account dashboard. From there, you can continue setting up and using your account. And that's how to create a Splitwise account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.